So there we are, up together with a 2S LiPo on it. Of course now it's got no grip at all. It didn't have much grip, but it had no power. I'm in trouble getting it to turn because it's just spinning those back wheels. I can't get it to go in a straight line. Yeah, well, it works. It hasn't caught fire yet. So we'll give it a try outdoors somewhere. Just a simple thought. Somebody's going to ask what scale that is. There is nothing written on it that tells me what scale it is. But if we compare it to this Lamborghini, this one is 1/16 scale. It's written on there somewhere. Yeah, it's written up there, 1/16 scale. So I would guess the Ferrari's a 1/16 as well. It's quite a bit lighter than that one. Right. So the Ferrari, 348 grams, that's including the battery. The Lamborghini, 523 grams, including the battery. So this one's a much more substantial, heavy-duty model. This one's a typical New Bright, very lightweight. That one cost me £1.50 and is significantly better quality than the New Bright, which cost me £1.99. Still, they look like fun.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.